Hello everyone, and it's around 5:40 now, and it's quite the right time to record the sunrise because the sun just comes out from the horizon around this time. So you can see how wonderful everything looks. The birds flying in the sky, the quietness here that we can experience only in the early morning. The sun is yet to come in the sky. The scene, the view is breathtaking. Really, God has created a very beautiful world. I think this is the right spot to sit and wait for the sun to come out. And I can already see the rays of the sun getting stronger. So the sun is just about to come out. And really, I haven't felt such a tranquility in any part of the day. That's the plus point of waking up early. The chirping of birds, and the quietness everywhere, and the natural beauty. These are all just heavenly. If you want to know what's the weather like now and what might be the temperature, so let me tell you. It's the third day of October in India, and it's not quite hot and it's a bit cool. I mean a moderate temperature, a suitable temperature for everyone, and quite pleasant through the clouds. That that is what I was waiting for. See the color of the sky. I think this is what called as crimson. The crimson color of the sky at the sunset or at the sunrise. This is what I was waiting for. The rays coming out of the sun and falling to the buildings, the trees, the ground. Man, this is just too majestic. And the person who doesn't wake up early, will not realize the value of those things. If these things, the view of sunrise, the quietness of the morning, these are just, I think, otherworldly things, separate from this materialistic world. Well, I think this wasn't, the sun rose early, but I wasn't able to see it because of the clouds. But anyways, it was just too beautiful, and even, yeah, and still it is now very beautiful. What I want to say is that if you are a late night worker, if you are a midnight owl, it's okay. But I suggest you once in a month or on the weekends, wake up early and see the sunrise. It's just too marvelous. You just can't miss this free thing. The quote, all the great things are free, and this this is one of them. I have asked one of my friends to record it from the hostel building so that the whole view, some another view of the sunrise come. And let's see, I will add this in the last part of this video.